Hello, welcome back guys to my YouTube channel. If you're seeing the screen, then you know which video we're gonna continue. Yes, today we're gonna continue our second part of application video, where I will be talking about application of informatic or computer science in University of Freiburg. In the previous two videos, we also did the requirement analysis of this particular course, computer science, in that website. After that, we also did application video first part, where I told you or talk you about requirement analysis in the University of Freiburg official website. We also went through did the course details in the official website and course module handbook, and what are the documents that you need to have, what are the mandatory documents, what are the optional documents that you can upload, then when is the deadline, where to apply. Then at the end of first video, we also did the how to register for this particular University of Freiburg application portal. Then we logged in. So in this part, I will show you what are the previous university studies and the information that you need to fill, and how to apply, how to upload, and what are the documents that you can fill in. And without any delay, we'll get started with today's video. Before that, if you're seeing me for the first time, you don't know anything about this channel. In this channel, we make videos about how to apply for universities and what requirement analysis. In the requirement analysis, at first we will just go through that website, check for the colleges, what are the requirements that they have, what are the documents that you need to know in order to apply for this particular course. Then we will also have an Excel sheet where we will document which is the college, when is the deadline, and where to apply. After all this is done, then we will also show you how to apply for each uni by step. Then we'll get started with second part. As I told you, in the first part, I just made an overview where I showed you how to select an course. So in this, we selected MSc Information and Computer Science. After that, we were in this section where we have to fill in our previous university studies. So in the previous university studies, so university is the thing, the field marked in asterisk are mandatory things, so you have to mandatorily fill this. So university study is, please enter the stages of your previous university education year. At first I also confused, is should I have to fill in our second PUC, but then I selected the please select degree section, and here there is no secondary school higher education or second PUC in order to fill. So either you have to fill in your bachelor or master. So that's the reason the previous university that I have done is bachelor before I am applying for masters. That's the reason I am applying for, or I am filling bachelors. So a study course is electrical engineering, University of College is VTU, and study is from 7 2016 to 7 2020. 7 is the month. Then please select the degree. The degree is Bachelor of Engineering. This is the degree information that I have done. Then you can click on next. Once you click on next, you need to fill in your university degree qualifying for the master program. So before you gave the degree which you have done previously, and here you have to give the same information of that degree which will be yielding, or which will be an qualifying degree for your master course. So in order to do your bachelor, the qualifying degree or the schooling you did is 12th. The same way, in order to do masters, the qualifying degree that you have done is bachelor. That's the reason you have to fill in your bachelor details. So here, university degree qualifying admission to the master program, the degree has been completed and the degree certificate is available. So for me, I have my degree and my bachelor degree certificate. That's the reason I have selected this. If you are a person who has finished the degree and only has provisional degree certificate, not the official degree certificate, then select second one. And if you are a person who is still pursuing the degree and you will be intended to finish the degree in, say example, next semester, then you have to select the degree as not yet completed. Then you have to get a prognosis certificate from your university or your professor saying that your degree will be finished before March or February. Then you can travel to Germany and start in this particular course and this particular college in April when they start their summer semester. So that is the thing that you need to go through. But if you are for a easy thing, I will just go through the degree completed and with the degree certificate I have. Then please enter the degree, and the degree name is Bachelor of Engineering engineering in electrical engineering. That's the complete degree name of mine. Then degree completion, if you are a person who is still pursuing, then you need to fill in this when your degree will be finished, or technically when it will be finished. Then the name of the university is Vishweshwaraya Technological University. Here you don't need to give your college name, you have to give your university name. So that is two different things. So for me, in my case also, I studied in Vidyavardhaka College of Engineering, Mysore, but that is affiliated to Vishweshwaraya Technological University. That's the reason I have to give the university name. Then the country is India at first, then the grading system you have to give. So at first you have to give the German grading scale of 1.7. How I got this German grading scale, as I told you or showed you so many times, there is a TUM official grade converter. When you check for TUM official grade conversion, the first link you will get is the TUM official grade converter link. So here you can give the maximum CGPA you can get in your uni is 10 CGPA usually, and the minimum passing grade at the university in order to get a degree is 5 CGPA in VTU, and my current CGPA was, or my final CGPA was 8.8. That's the reason I get 1.7 as my German CGPA. And in order to prove this, you have to give all these details. So what is the current CGPA, which is 8.5, and grading system, highest possible grade is 10 and the lowest possible grade is 5. That's the reason I have given 10 minus 5. So that is how they have told us to write it. You can also click on I, and here they will tell you how to write it. 1.0 minus 4.0. So it is 10 and 5, because in German it is 1 is better, 4 is worst. So that's why it is 10 is better for us and 5 is worst for us. That's how I have given. Then total number of ECTS is 200. After that, you have to give or upload the bachelor degree certificate with transcript. I usually combine it. So usually I have not combined it. When I applied for VTU, in order to get a soft copy of bachelor degree certificate and transcript, they usually combine your bachelor degree and the transcript in one PDF and give you. You can also use the same thing here. Then you can click on next. Then here you have to fill in or upload the bachelor degree certificate again. So in the previous it was transcript, and here it is bachelor degree certificate with additional documents. So you can upload here. The below one is nothing but if your document or your bachelor degree certificate or your transcript is in your mother tongue, it's not in English, then they need a official translation to either English and or German. So usually English is better. So there should be an official translation to English, then upload the translation here. If it is not in English at first. If it is in English, then no need to worry, directly upload. Then you can click on next. Once you clicked on next, then the mandatory application document that you need to give is APS. So this APS has been mandatory for all people as of now from India, Vietnam and China. So if you are a person who is coming from all these 3 countries, then you have to upload with APS. Then you can click on next. So if you don't have an APS until before the application deadline, then you can't submit the application. You need to have it. Then English language certificate. For this particular course, we already know the requirements. So for this particular course, it was C1 level, and you need to have 7 IELTS, which is C1. So that's the reason I have filled in. A level of proficiency is C1 that I have got. Then the exam I took is IELTS, and the total number of results or the points that I have got for 9 is 7. Then language certificate I have uploaded, and this language certificate should not be expired, and it should be 2 years validity, usually IELTS certificate. So please upload the valid certificate here. Then please click on next. So once you clicked on next, then usually it will ask for your German language proficiency, but as of now for this particular course you don't need to have a German language proficiency, because this is a complete English language course. That's the reason you can click on none, and you can select I have not done any of the certificate also in here. But if you are a person who have done some of the German courses as already in India, then you can also always by all means give it. But for this particular course it's not mandatory, and that's the reason it is not given in star marks here to fill it. So it's fine. Then you can click on next. Once you clicked on next, here you have to fill in all your other documents, where you have to fill in which college you did it. So here you can give Vidyavardhaka College of Engineering. So here you can give your college name, because they are also asking the name of college that you graduated from, because we already given our university there. Then design master degree curriculum. So you will be doing your open curriculum or cyber physical system or artificial intelligence. You have to choose your specialization. So after you chose, you have to do the same thing. But we can also check here if it is mandatory to choose it. Yes, it is mandatory, or it is good to choose it. So they have also given the program website to check for the module handbook, what are the courses that you will be doing in each specialization, which we already covered. So based on your interest you can select. So for just time being I have selected artificial intelligence, but I suggest don't fill two application and select two different specialization and thinking I'll get some of one. No, don't do that. Then they will also think like you are just spamming it, and they will might also reject in both of way. So please don't do it. Then in other documents I suggest you to upload everything in one document. Say example CV, recommendation letter, motivation letter, GRE, ranking certificate, any other internship, work experience, everything, combine it to one PDF, because there is a limit of maximum one file or files. So you can combine everything in one PDF and upload. That's the best thing. So I will combine everything, and this is the combined PDF, letter of motivation, GRE, ranking certificate, your experience, internship certificate, everything. So you can combine and put it here. Then how did you hear from us? So usually we heard from that website, and the program website you can also give, and I declare what are the documents, information, and all mandatory details that I have filled is legible, and I'll be responsible for it. So you have to click on yes. After filling all these details, you will get an application overview where you can also check again whatever the things that you have filled is correct or not. If it is wrong you feel, then you need to go and edit it. So at first you filled the previous university entrance qualification here, where you did your bachelor's with your electrical engineering, from when and where. Then you also gave the complete bachelor of engineering, your details, and your grade from your Indian grade system 2 and your German grade system. Then you uploaded bachelor transcript, certificate, APS document, English language certificate, German you didn't put. Then you put in all other documents or official other documents. Then you can click on I will be confirm and read it everything. Then you can click on submit the application. Once you clicked on submit application, your application will be submitted. Then they will take normally 4 to 8 weeks after the application deadline. That is what they usually do. Some people will also give application admission or results before the application deadline. Usually if you want to know a proper application deadline when you will get your application results, it will be 4 to 8 weeks after the application deadline. This is the normal cycle. So hope you guys enjoyed it, the second part of the video where I taught you about how to apply for this particular course.